Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina
See what's new?
at Broadway at the beach. Alrighty, so remember, any new restaurant in Myrtle Beach that just opens, you have to get here early because you will stand in line. This line is actually good from the day that it opened. Check it out.
Right, because when it first opened, the line was way down the sidewalk.
It sure was.
Popstroke is located right here at Broadway at the beach.
So if you want to just eat, all you have to do is just walk through the double doors and see the hostess. But look, here's the ice cream bar. Kind of show them the ice cream on the way. And like I said, it is a bit windy. You want to get the door for me? They even have games and outdoor activities for youngins while you're waiting to play Popstroke. Alrighty, so the most convenient thing I have seen is you can come right up to the bar while you're out there and get you a drink. That might help you with your game. So we're going to give you a quick peek of the menu here. So that way, if you do decide to come, you'll know what you want to eat before you even get here. That has been something that I have started doing before I come to restaurants. I'll check out the menus and it's very helpful. So this looks like it's the cocktails and beer list, wine list, specialty, milkshakes, yummy, and ice cream. And let's see, and for appetizers, they have nachos, wings, buffalo chicken, yep. Try not to be too loud. And they also have your salads, tacos, and sandwiches and burgers. They also have a kids menu right there at the bottom. Let's see, there's a glare, so. Alrighty. Y'all see that? And it's very crowded and very loud here, but it's awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Now, would you get the tea off?
Yes, I got the tea off, which does have whiskey. So you ready?
Yeah, what's in that?
All right. So my tea off has freshly muddled lemonade, blackberries mixed with 10-cup whiskey, rye whiskey, it says, and lemonade. Yummy. What a perfect drink for a Sunday. Look at that. Look at that blueberries.
And I got a draft. So you can either have the traditional menu or you can scan the little QR code here and they will bring you your food that way.
So a lot of the restaurants in Myrtle Beach are going to this little scan codes, which is very convenient because basically you don't even have to order with a waitress. You just order, or a waiter. You just order right here. Exquisite. Very impressive. Okay, so I decided to go with a black bean veggie burger that I haven't gotten in a long time. So the black bean comes with lettuce, tomato, cilantro, avocado, mushrooms, toasted on a bun. And it also comes with your delicious French fries. Absolutely amazing French fries. All right. You decide.
And I decided to go with the Turkey Clubhouse. It's sliced turkey, lettuce, tomato, bacon, garlic mayo, and it's served on a Texas toast with a pickle spear. And I decided to get a salad instead of the French
No,
fries.
it's a side.
As a side instead of the French fries.
Right.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's hot. I need to. So if you're freezing, this is definitely where you need to sit on this end of the bar. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
God, that thing's on.
It feels so good.
So here are your two courses. Both have 18 holes each and are ADA approved and accessible. This one right here in front of us is the more challenging course. And the one on the other side of it here is a little bit easier. It's $30 per person, but you get to play all day, both courses as many times as you want to. And if you keep your ticket, you can even come back later that day and play more. Check out those cool sand traps.
Alrighty, and there's that playground area. Try not to get no little children. There we go.
See the ball?
Oh, oop. Somebody was trying to whack a child. Well, there you have it. That was a look at Popstroke right here at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and show the love by hitting that like button and comment. We'd love to hear your comments. Okay, until next time, keep beaching and we'll see you in the next video. This is what I want my house to look like. Welcome home, Beatbox.
Shoot. That's just too darn big.
And look in here. Look at that nice grass.
Grass on the wall, look.
Maintenance-free grass.
Never have to cut it.
Isn't that right there?
They thought we were tourists.
Just because of Beatbox's shirt. Gotta love it. Exclusive.
Exquisite. Exquisite.
Exquisite. Okay, you ready? Exquisite.